Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in. This week's video falls out on the exact same week that Purim does. Purim's going to be coming in Thursday evening, and we're gonna have the meal on Friday afternoon. So it's crunch time for a lot of people on how to get everything ready for Shabbat, and I figured I'd share with you some of my 3 go-to Shabbat salads that are super quick and easy and of course delicious. We're starting off with our tuna salad here, and I'm going to be cutting up 2 sticks of celery into fine cubes. I have 2 hard-boiled eggs as well that I'm going to be dicing up, and I'm going to use 1 can of tuna. I place all the ingredients into a bowl with about 1 heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise, and I season it with some salt and black pepper. I give everything a good mix and plate. Next up is a little twist on the Moroccan spiced carrots. Moroccan spiced carrots are made with parboiled carrots, but I tried that and I really didn't like the texture, so I'm going to be making it raw. And this is the knife that I use. I'm going to have these knives linked in the description box for anyone that's interested. So I cut them on a bias, like a side. So you put the carrot on the side and you start slicing it up, and it makes these beautiful, gorgeous lines. And I do that until all of the carrots have been sliced up. Place all the sliced carrots into a bowl and chop up some dill. I then thinly slice up 2 to 3 garlic cloves and place them all into the same bowl as the carrots. To season everything, I use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt, a little dash of sweet paprika, a little dash of cumin, and coriander. I eyeballed most of these spices, but you can customize them to your taste. Give everything a very good mix and plate. This was the first time that I made this salad, and boy was it a hit. Even my kids liked it. It has a perfect mixture of the sweet and tangy and the salty. It was just great. I highly recommend it. For the last salad this week, I'm making this pickled cucumber salad. I am also going to be using the same serrated type of knife, just a different one. So these knives I got in a set, and this just has a different zigzag to it. So you're gonna need about 3 regular sized cucumbers, 1 small onion, and some dill. And as you can see, using that knife just gives that beautiful wavy effect to the cucumber as well. I place all the sliced cucumbers into the bowl, and my baby over there is stealing one, and then slice up the onions. And you could either use a mandolin slicer to do that, or you can just do it by hand with a knife like I'm doing it here. Finely chop up some dill. I would say about 2 tablespoons would be perfect for this, and add it into the bowl as well. I season the whole entire salad with about 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar, 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt, a dash of black pepper, avocado oil, and vinegar. I give everything a very good mix and plate. In this week's video, I tried to include super quick and easy recipes for you to be able to make on this hectic Friday that's coming up with Purim. I tried to include items that most people have in their pantry and in their fridge. I hope you guys all enjoyed this, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Now here's some bloopers. I was setting myself up to record and turned my back to, tend to the kids, and I saw my husband doing this. So I thought I'd include him. He's always helping me in the kitchen.